Hello guys. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can make Bitmoji. For this, open Bitmoji app. You have to log in here. Now from here, you have to select the gender. After this, you have to take selfie to make relevant Bitmoji. Now it's time to customize your Bitmoji. From here you can select skin tone. From here you can select hair color, hairstyle and hair treatment. From here you can select eye shape, eyelashes, eye size and eye color. With the similar way you can select eyebrow, eyebrow color, shape of nose, shape of jaw, shape of mouth, shape of ears etc. and finally select outfit, and then tap here. Here you can see that your Bitmoji is ready to use. For this, open Bitmoji app. Now tap here. Now you have to save Bitmoji on your phone. Now open your Facebook app. And then tap here. And finally you can use your Bitmoji on Facebook. For this go to your phone's settings. Then go to language and input. Then click on virtual keyboard. Here you have to click on manage keyboard. From here, enable the Bitmoji keyboard. Then go to Instagram and click a picture for story. Now here you have to type your caption and then choose the Bitmoji keyboard and choose emoji for your picture. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.